Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 key things you should know about the autumn equinox. Let's get started. The September 22nd equinox is going to be remembered for years to come, because there is a major shift that is going to occur where literally everyone around the world will be feeling this, whether they are aware of it or not. Because at the same time as we have the autumn equinox, there's also a shift as far as the north and south node, Rahu and Ketu. And the north node represents our worldly materialistic desires, which is going to be shifting into Taurus over the next 18 months. Therefore, you're going to be able to use this Taurian energy in order to push yourself outside your comfort zone for all the right reasons, bringing forth abundance wherever it is needed. And when it comes to the south node represents spiritual growth. The south node is about karma. The south node is about past lives. It's about doing the shadow work, truly discovering who you are. And this is going to be shifting into Scorpio. And let me tell you, Scorpio is used to going into the darkness. Scorpio is used to being able to look into shadow side and do that inner work. And you're going to be able to use this energy in order to progress you forward on your spiritual journey. And this is going to be extremely important to resist what is going to be coming up, because as far as the shadow work, as far as your karma, as far as your past life karma, as far as ancestral karma, there will be light that will be shined on this, as far as what are you meant to release. And as you dive deep, as you look into your shadow self, as you dive deep into your subconscious and start to truly discover what self-limited beliefs must be let go, what no longer serves you, you must take action. You must let them go. And as you begin to let go, whether it's past painful experiences, whether it's self-limited beliefs, whether it's the control that certain individuals or situations have had on you, you're automatically going to be raising up your vibrations. And not only this, you're going to be gaining more and more knowledge and wisdom as far as how to move forward. All of a sudden, you're going to be receiving these divine downloads of information needed in order to move forward. So now we're going to be talking about the 5 things that you should know about the autumn equinox. The first thing that you should know about the autumn equinox is embracing your shadow side. What am I talking about? It could be something from your childhood. Giving yourself permission to heal certain events, certain painful situation, possibly toxic relationship, learning about your karmic relationships that you've had. Giving yourself permission to shine some light on your shadow side. And as you do this, you're going to begin to heal. And as you begin to heal, what's wonderful is you're going to start to understand these situations at a much deeper level. You're going to be able to learn the deeper life lessons. And that's automatically going to help you raise up your vibration. And as you do so, newfound knowledge is going to come in. And as you begin to start clearing your subconscious, because make no mistake about it, if you've gone through a painful experience in your life, and you haven't given yourself permission to release this, guess what? This situation, in one way, shape, or form, has got control over you. Whether it's in your subconscious, whether it's the way that you act, the way you react to certain situations. But by giving yourself permission and diving into your shadow self, you're going to be able to pull that out, and you're literally going to be able to start putting in newfound beliefs. And not only this, as you do this, you're going to find out that you're much more powerful than you think as far as the spiritual being that you are. You're going to gain clearer and clearer guidance as far as how you're able to move forward. The second key thing that you should know about the autumn equinox: manifesting is going to become easier and easier. But it's all as far as what are you taking in? What are you consuming? Okay? Example, if you want to manifest the love of your life, but let's say you're spending all of your nights watching shows about violence, it's not going to work. Start taking in what it is that you want to have come forth in your life. It's just same thing with music. Don't listen to aggressive music if you want to bring forth the love of your life. Listen to music that has kind, loving words. Watch TV shows or watch movies of romantic comedies as an example. And it's the same thing if you want to bring forth different manifestation. Start consuming what it is that you want to bring forth. Start really looking at your everyday life as far as what are you consuming? Because whatever you're consuming is consuming you. And you have the choice right here. Are you going to start focusing in on what you want to bring forth and consume this on a daily basis? Or are you going to still continue to consume other things that are no longer serving you as of this very moment? The third key thing that you should know about the autumn equinox: balance will be restored in your life in one way, shape, or form. You're going to be noticing, whether you're resisting or not, a sequence of event is going to occur, which is going to start to bring forth that perfect balance. Whether it's a perfect balance between your career and your home life, whether it's that perfect balance between helping out other individuals and starting to work on what it is that you're passionate about. Because if you're not, as of this very moment, if you're not working on your dreams, you're helping someone else create their dreams. And as you're going to see, certain doors might close during this time. And what's really important, if certain doors close, is remain grateful for what is happening and see beyond just that one physical thing. Actually look at the blessing that is coming forth, giving you a chance, an opportunity to focus more and more on yourself. Because as you do this, you're naturally going to raise up your vibrations. You're naturally going to be telling the universe, guess what? I love myself. Guess what? I have that confidence. I have that self-worth, and I am no longer settling for second place. I want nothing but the best for myself. So right now, if any doors close, thank the universe and now shift your focus on what your heart desires. Shift your focus on what it is that you're passionate about, and you're going to be seeing that is going to be the accelerator as far as the abundance that you're going to be able to bring forth. And the fourth key thing that you should know about the autumn equinox: the autumn equinox is going to reveal to you whether you are one of the chosen ones. And what do I mean by this? In the Bible, it states that 144,000 light workers are going to come forth and are going to help with this major transitional shift that we're in. But that's the thing, when it comes to being the chosen one, it isn't who you were. It's who you have the capability, the potential of becoming. Therefore, you have a choice to make. You have a choice to make right here. Do you want to be one of the chosen ones? And if you do, trust me, if you do, your angels, your spirit guide, your angelic team is going to bring forth everything you need in order to continue to move forward. But don't be afraid to ask. Start asking on a daily basis as far as what it is that you need to move forward. Start letting go of those self-limited beliefs. Start to believe that you are able to bring forth these unexpected blessings, these miracles. Because I'm telling you this from my own personal experience. It was my self-limited beliefs that stopped me from being able to begin to manifest. But when I was able to let go of these beliefs and I was able to truly believe that I'm worthy of receiving, truly able to believe that it is going to come forth, guess what? Divine timing came in each and every single time. But it's up to you. It's up to you to start taking the first step. Start stepping out of your comfort zone for all the right reasons. Start allowing your authentic self to come out. And guess what? You're going to see, you're going to begin to attract individuals who are going to be wanting your service. You're going to begin to attract individuals who are going to be wanting what it is that you want to create. You're going to begin to attract your soul tribe. Why? Because your vibe attracts your tribe. And as you do this, you're going to be automatically raising up your vibrations. Therefore, you're going to be bringing forth the individuals you need in order to keep you pushing forward. And the fifth thing that you should know about the autumn equinox, this is for you, my beautiful empaths. You're going to be gaining a much deeper level of empathy and compassion towards others. You're going to be letting go of judging others more and more. And right now, as far as the overall collective, more and more people are falling into that fear-based reality. More and more people are falling into the survival mode. And what ends up happening is now they're only thinking about themselves. But what's going to be really important is for you to maintain those high vibrations, take as best care of yourself as possible, and trust your intuition as far as who you're meant to help. Because you're not meant to help absolutely everyone. You're not meant to give your energy to absolutely everyone. But when your intuition kicks in, when you receive that guidance, you just feel it that that's the person that should be able to help. You're going to start to notice then you're not just going to be feeling a certain vibration, a certain emotion as an example, but you're really going to be able to start to pinpoint at a deep level what is truly troubling other individuals. And you don't always have to give answers. Just by sitting there and listening attentively, you're going to be helping them heal because they're going to be revealing. They're going to be drawn to you and they're going to want to reveal more and more to you. But once again, it's really important. Continue to take the best care of yourself. Get that exercise in each and every single day. Meditate whenever you can. Go out in nature. Get yourself grounded. Clear the mind. Make sure you're well hydrated. Because we need all of you, my empaths, to be riding that emotional high. We need all of you to be continuing to raise up your vibrations because that is when you're the most powerful. As far as the energies that are coming forth, I am absolutely pumped up about what's going to be transpiring. I'm absolutely pumped up about the transformation that is going to be happening. But what's going to be important is more and more to rely on spirituality, more and more tap into your God-given gifts and start no matter what, no matter how small of a step you're going to take, start taking action. Okay, there's no going back right now. We're never going to go back to how it was, and it was never meant to happen that we go back. We can only move forward, but it's through all of us light workers doing our part, all of us helping raise the overall collective as far as the vibration, that we're going to be able to awaken enough individuals to begin to create this incredible change that's going to come forth. And no matter what it is that you need to get motivated. For those of you who have children, think about the type of world that you want to leave them. For myself, that's exactly what it is. It's seeing my son and seeing how wonderful of a world I'm going to be able to help create for him. And as we move forward, you're going to see, stop looking at the surface because we are going into troubling times. You're going to be seeing over the next couple of months, the energies coming forth is really going to start to bring up the dark nights of the soul for individuals who are still asleep. But that's the shock to the system that individuals need. Certain individuals are just refusing to wake up. But with the dark nights of the soul, they're not going to have a choice. And you are going to see the major shift that we've been looking for. It is going to happen, but it's going to take time. And that's why it's important to just continue moving forward. Using your intuition, using that guidance, and allow that faith to grow as time goes on. Allow that faith to grow, and especially when you receive something, take the time to be grateful for those blessings. Allow yourself to feel blessed for what it is that you're able to experience, because everything is happening for you and not against you. And by having this mentality, you're going to be letting go of resistance. Therefore, you're going to be able to start to have these quantum leaps more and more. That was 5 key things that you should know about the autumn equinox. And if you're remotely feeling any type of stress right now, if you're feeling any type of anxiety, any type of worry, get yourself grounded. Go out in nature, close your eyes, clear that mind, let go of all that stress, and then allow that space between each thought, that gap to widen and widen more and more. And that's when you're going to start to receive these divine downloads. That's when you're going to start to receive this divine guidance, these ideas that are going to be able to help you move forward. Now that's going to do it for the video. I love you guys. You guys have an awesome day. Namaste.